Hey there! Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to create your very own AI news channel from scratch. If you want to earn money from YouTube, follow these steps carefully till the end. Join us on this transformative journey as we revolutionize journalism with technology. From writing news scripts to editing videos, we'll guide you through the whole process, making it easy for you to integrate AI into every step. Get ready for a fantastic future of news broadcasting. Subscribe and stay tuned for more. Without any more delay, let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your browser and go to YouTube. Sign in through your Google account. Click on this icon, then click Create a Channel. Now it's time to give a name to our channel. If you already choose name for your YouTube channel, then enter your own chosen name and click on Create Channel. But I will use ChatGPT for unique names suggestion. I am giving prompt is write 10 clickable names for YouTube channel related to news. I like this name. It seems unique to me. I will take on Point News. Okay, now go back to YouTube and paste your name. Enter the handle, which is available. Click on Create Channel. Congrats! Our channel has been created. Now we will customize our channel to make it professional. Click on Customization. Then click on Branding. Now we need to create a channel logo and banner. I will use Canva because it's free. You can create from any software. Go to Canva. After login, click on Logo, then blank page is open on your screen. Type news to Design search bar, then enter. There are many templates are open. You can choose the one which are free. I like this one. When logo is ready, click on Share and download it. Go back to YouTube, click on Upload and upload the logo. Now, go to Canva. Click on YouTube banner. There are many templates are open. You can choose the one related to news. I select this. Enter your channel name. When banner is ready, click Share, and then click on Download. Go back to YouTube and upload the banner. Now third is watermark. You can upload the logo as video watermark. You can set the display time, end of video, or entire video. Once you are done, click on Publish to save the settings. Your channel is ready. Now we need to create news content. But now you're thinking, how can we collect the news? So here is Google News. Step 2. Open Google News and select trending or engaging news for the video. After selecting, copy the news and paste it to doc file. Step 3. Open your browser and go to Play HT. Sign up to website. After login, paste the text, which we copy in doc file. You can change the voice. I will select Susan. Click on Generate All Paragraphs. It will take some time. When audio is generated, click on Export. You can see two options, each paragraph separately and as a single audio file. Choose the one which suits you. Step 4. Now it's time to creating a news presenter. For this, we will use Hagen. You can check the link in the description. After opening the website, click on Try Hagen for free. Sign up to Hagen for free. After login, click on Avatar. There are more than 100 avatars. Choose the one which you like. I will choose this one. You can see the view mode. There are 3 modes, half body, close up, and circle. Choose which suits you. There are multiple outfits of the avatars. I will select this. You can upload your image to create your avatar. After that, click on Save as New. Go to My Avatars. Select the avatar which we created, choose the landscape. Select Audio Script, upload the audio file which we generated. In few seconds, audio will be uploaded. You can preview your video. When ready, click on Submit. It will take some time to create your avatar. Let's skip this. When it is ready, download it. Step 5. Now, time to make a background for news environment to make video more realistic. You can download the stock videos from any website. I will download from Canva. Go to Canva, click on Video, enter Breaking News Intro in Designs search bar. There are multiple templates. You can download which suits you. I will use this one. Edit the video according to your news. When video is ready, click on Share and download it. Excellent. Step 6. It's time to make a proper news channel video. You can use any video editor software. This time I'm using CapCut. It's easy to understand and best option for the beginners. Open the video editor and import the footage in the media folder. Also import the background. Now insert the background video in Video Layer 2 and then insert presenter video into the Video Layer 1. Select the Video Layer 1 and click Chroma Key in your editing software. Select Color Picker, click on Green Background. Set the strength to 10 and shadow to 5. Do this procedure to all the video clips. After completing the edit process of presenter video, click on Export button and export the final product. Excellent! Our news video is successfully created. Step 7. Let's go to YouTube to upload video for our brand new YouTube news channel. Simply click on Upload button and select the video file. Add clickable title and write the description related to your video. Add catchy thumbnail. After completing the settings, publish the video. Brilliant! We have successfully created our first AI news channel video. Let's watch our first video together. Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg has said he is not holding his breath over a proposed cage fight with Elon Musk, as he revealed that he had suggested a date of 26 August for the contest. The Facebook co-founder posted on the Threads app that he was ready today for a bout, but that he had not received confirmation from the Tesla chief executive and world's richest man. I'm ready today. I suggested August 26 when he first challenged, but he hasn't confirmed. Not holding my breath, he wrote on Sunday. Musk added to the confusion by tweeting on Monday that he may need surgery before the fight can happen due to problems with his neck and upper back. I would love to hear about your experience of creating a brand new YouTube news channel with the help of AI. Share your results in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Bye!